a public defender for 5 years prior to being elected in '98. I was very honored to be elected. In 2006, I ran unopposed. I highly recommend it, but sometimes you just can't do that. And so here we are running again. A little bit about myself. I'm married to Joel Hargrove. He's a native of Marshall County. He's sitting over here. I have my 2 beautiful children here, Jessica Hargrove and my son Dave is back here. I have several members of my staff here. I'm very thankful for them to be here. I have my aunt, my husband here, a lot of good friends. My mother couldn't be here tonight, but she sends her thank yous to everyone for the prayers going up on her behalf. My mother is Ruth Orr. Many of you know her. My father was late Thomas Orr, and he's preached a lot down in this area before he passed away. My husband and I are members of the Free Church of Christ in Lewisburg. We've attended there for about 21 years now. A little bit about my office. What does the public defender's office do? What we do is set by statute. We cannot go outside of what the scope of the statute says. And what that statute says is that we represent indigent people, people who cannot afford to hire their own attorney, who are charged with criminal offenses. They have to be appointed to us by a judge. We don't get to pick and choose our cases unless we have a conflict on a case, on an issue, and we represent them. I've been doing this for 21 years. I have a staff of 12 people. There are 6 attorneys, not including myself. Those attorneys, including myself, have over 90 years of combined criminal law experience. My secretaries have over 30 years of legal secretarial experience. I have 3 of those. And I have 2 very competent investigators, and they have over 60 years of criminal investigative experience. So I have a very experienced office, and we do a good job. I also have one of the best longevity rates in the state of Tennessee for the public defender's office for keeping staff. A lot of times, attorneys especially will come to the public defender's office to get experience, but they can get more money elsewhere, and so they leave. I've been with some of my staff for as many as, how many years, Fred?
Since 92. How about that?
Since 92. My attorneys have been with me for over 10 years. What that is important for is that it provides a cohesiveness not only amongst my office, but also amongst those who work within the judicial system. I've worked with many of the clerks, many of law enforcement, judges, anyone in the judicial system for that many years. That gives us a good working relationship. And you ask anybody, I'm not scared for you to ask anybody in the court system, anybody in law enforcement, and I think they're going to tell you that my office does a good job. We're not perfect. No one's ever going to be perfect. but we do a good job defending our clients' rights. Now, before I got up here to spoke, somebody asked me a question, and I'm not going to say who, but I'm going to answer that question. Someone asked me, said, have you ever won a case? Yes, my office has. My office has. My office has. My office has. We have done over 150,000 cases. That's a lot of cases. We do approximately 7,500 cases a year. If you don't have experience, if you don't have a cohesive office who works well with other people, you're not going to be able to do that. We do that, and we do it well. And I am very, very proud of the staff that I have. I'm very proud of my office. And I just encourage you to go ask others about me. I have people who have integrity, who have experience, and they are good people. We want to keep our jobs. We love our jobs. If we didn't, trust me, we would not be doing this because it is not an easy job to do. But we believe in it. We want to keep doing it. We want to serve the citizens, and we want to serve our clients' best interest, whatever that may be. Whether it's going to trial, whether it's pleading a case out, whatever is in our best interest for our clients is what we're going to do. Whatever is in our best interest, whatever is in our best interest, whatever is in our best interest.